Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing to you what's in my minimalist makeup kit. And if you are interested, then please do keep on watching. Alright, without so much ado, here is my makeup kit. Ta-da! Alright, so what's inside this? So ano nga ba yung mga minimalist makeup ko lamang na aking ina-apply every day or every single day. Usually, hindi naman ako nag-makeup kasi work from home naman ako. But if lumalabas tayo, medyo gusto natin mayroon tayong forma ng konti. So, here it is. So, yeah, let's get into what's inside this makeup kit. So, here is what it actually looks like. Okay, so random lang po tayo guys ha. Mabilis na video lang po ito. First is my eyeshadow. Maganda to sa BYS. I got this from BYS kasi eyebrow siya na powder. So, ayan. So, tatlo siya. Ito, ubos na ho. Ubos na po. And then, ito na lang po yung ginagamit ko now. Then, ito parang highlighter. So, this is my first makeup. So, this is what I got in here. First that I have. Then next one is this one. This is from Fashion 21. And this is a perfect stick with tea tree oil. So gusto ko siya guys kasi may tea tree oil siya and has a SPF 50+. Alright, so this is actually a foundation. Ganyan lang siya. So parang pa roulette siya. Ginaganyan lang po siya. Ganyan. So easy to apply. And then, gagamit lang ho ikaw ng parang sponge. Ayan, para ma-spread yun. So, that's item number 3. Ito, item number 2, number 3, and then next would be this one. So, I like this very much. Showell from Showell Makeup. Waterproof eyeliner. Gusto ko to guys kasi bakit? Bukod sa waterproof siya, which we love the most. Is napakanipis ng kanyang dulo guys. So, perfect talaga siya for your eyes. Okay. So, matagal na to sa akin, but it still works perfect. So, this is item number 4. Item number 5 is the concealer. So, matagal na to. I got this from Lazada. In-order ko lang siya online. So, make it seamless concealer. Alright. And because we have a concealer, mayroon din tayong brush. So, very minimal lang talaga yung ating gamit for the minimalist makeup. I also have this from this is for the shade room service and from ELK. So, blush on naman to. So, ang pag-apply, tap ka lang ng ganyan, tapos pa ganyan. Tapos pa ganyan. So, kung maarte ka, this is not good for you kasi hindi siya hygienic. As you can see, wala po siyang cover. So, may mga magnet po ito. Magnetic po actually to kasi marami po itong shades and then pinapatong-patong lang siya. Nagka-magnet po hanggang sa may pinaka-cover niya. Parang binibili din po ito. Okay, so that's item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 item number 8 is powder. So face powder. This is from clean. Ito lang po yung aking ginagamit. Very natural color. Kasi syempre pag mamibili ako guys, tinatanong ko kung ano ba yung bagay sa akin. Hindi naman yung parang puting-puti na tayo. Yung bagay lang po sa ating skin tone. Next is this one. Brunette in the shade Brunette. Okay. Hindi ko na alam kung saan to nabili. Wala na din yung brand niya. But this is just my eyebrow pencil. And then last but not the least is our lip tint. This is actually our own product guys. I'll be doing a separate video for this one, like a tutorial of how am I using this, right? Because usually kung mga run errands, is ito lang talagang gamit ko para sa mata, sa cheeks, and then sa lips. Nothing more, nothing less. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. But before we end this video, I'll just go ahead and put all the things in this pouch. Babalik ko natin. Alright. Pasensya na ha. Naririnig nyo rin siguro yung aking baby pups. Nagsasalita siya. So that's my background. But yeah, so here it is. So the near patch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next videos. This has been Jeanette. Have a nice one. Bye for now.